Okay, so I'll be teaching you today the first chapter. The name of the chapter is nouns. Okay, so all of you look on the board. What I am going to teach you today, I'll be teaching you noun. Teaching that is a type of recapitulation we will do today. As I have given the explanation video on the Google Classroom as well as PDF is also being given to you. Okay, so today I will recapitulate the chapter. Chapter 1, nouns. Okay, so this is the chapter. Today I am going to recapitulate it. Now children, what is noun? Everywhere in your surrounding you see many things and each and everyone has got a name. Okay, either it is person, place, animal or thing. Everyone has got a name. Like I have here a thing in my hand, and what is the name of this thing? Pencil. Okay, so this thing has got a name, and what is that name? Pencil. Okay, so what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Everyone in this world has got the name. Every living thing, every non-living thing, whatever is there, whatever you see, everything has got the name. Okay? So a naming word is called noun. A naming word is called noun. Okay? So a noun names a person, place, animal, or thing. Okay, children? You can also say that naming words are called nouns. Naming words are called nouns. For example, Ram, Raji, Tiger, Chairman. All these are naming words. Ram, Raji, Tiger, Chair. All these are naming words. Ram is the name given to a person. Raji is the thing. So, okay, it is the word which is given to a person, place, animal, or thing. It is the name. Okay, noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Understood? No, children, you have to not write in the copy. I have written here for the recapitulation. Okay, I am just doing recapitulation of the chapter. So you have to not write it down in the copy. If you want, then you can write in the rough copy. Okay, you have to write in the classroom copy the written portion which I have given you as the PDF on your Google Classroom. So you have to complete that work in your classroom copy. Okay, children. Today I will be doing the textbook exercise of chapter 1. As I have given this in the Google Classroom also, this chapter I have already uploaded it. Okay, so this one I am showing you the Actual exercise picture. See the exercise, children. Take out page number 9. Page number 9. Take out page number 9. Exercise A. Exercise A. Okay. So the first exercise is identify and write the nouns in the correct columns. Here the nouns words are given. Okay. Rudra, page number 9. Page number 9. Take out page number 9. So here, some of the noun words are given in the box. You have to identify the words and you have to write in the correct column. Okay? Either they are person, place, animal, or thing. So you have to write in the correct column. From here, you have to identify the nouns and write it in the correct column. As I have earlier also, I have given this as a homework to you all on your Google Classroom. I don't know whether you have completed or not, but I am recapitulating it so that you can complete it. Okay? So children, the first exercise, you can see I have written person. Boy, queen, girl, women. Place, Goa, India, city, stadium. Animal, zebra, lion, frog, cat. Thing, ring, lace, vase, ball. All these words are children noun. All these words are noun. Just you have to put it in the correct place. Now the next exercise is cross out the word in each row that is not a noun. Okay, children? In the first question, you can see here some of the words are given. Now you have to cross the word which is not noun. The word which is not in the category of noun, you have to put a cross mark. Okay? So here in the first question, ship, milk, tree, orange, walk. These, which is the wrong one? Walk. Cross walk here. You have to cross the word walk. Cross this word because this is a verb. This is not a noun. Done? Yugrachna, why are you moving from your place? And sit properly. Have you completed, children? If completed, then show me your thumbs up. Now the next is give, board, apple, ticket. Give is a verb here. It is not a noun. This word is not a noun. So cross it. Number third. Flag, potato, climb, bench, monkey. Here the word climb. Cross climb because it is a verb. It is not a noun. Fourth one. Slow, egg, book, nose, pencil. Cross this word. Slow. Slow is a verb. It is not a noun. Okay? So understood, children? You have to cross the word which is not in the category of noun. Now the next one. Match the following, in which one has been already done for you all, children. A person who builds objects of wood. Okay, one is already done for you all. See here column A and in column B. You have to match with the correct word. Okay, like one has been already done for you. A person who builds objects of wood. What do we call that person? Number C. The correct answer is number C. So here it is written C. Carpenter. Carpenter is the person who builds objects of goods. Okay. Now the next one. A person who treats us when we are ill. What we will write here? Number A. Write down number A. A person who treats us when we are ill. That is called doctor. So write down A. A person who stitches our clothes. What will be the correct answer? Tailor. Tailor is the correct answer. So write down here number E. Number E. A person who installs and repairs piping. What will be the correct answer? Plumber. So write down here number F. Here write down F. Okay. A person who makes our shoes. Cobbler. Cobbler is the correct answer. Cobbler makes our shoes. So write down here number D. A person who sells flowers is called florist. Florist is the correct answer. So write down number B here. I am showing you the errors. Then, now the next one. You can see here. Children, here in this picture, you have to write 5 nouns that you can see in this picture. Okay? You have to write the name of 5 nouns which you can see in this picture. So write down here. Aeroplane, ball, car, sun, house, Okay, so you have to write only five. Only five nouns you have to write. Only five nouns. So these are the things which we can see in the picture. There are also many things, children. There are bushes, trees, okay, gate, fences. Many things are here. You can write down here. But according to this question, we have to write only five nouns. So I have given here only five names which I can see in this picture. Now the next one. This is a type of game, children. Okay, in this game, we will now play this game. This is called nouns game. Okay, the name of the game is nouns game. We have to write the name of a person, place, an animal or a thing starting with the given letter. Here the letter is given. You have to write the name starting with the letter D of a person. You have to write the place name starting with letter D. Animal name starting with letter D. Thing's name starting with letter D. So you can see I have written the name. Okay. So D. We have to write the name of a person starting with letter D. You can write any name, children. I have written here David. You can write any name which you know. But that should start with letter D. Place. I have written Delhi because you can see it is starting with letter D. Animal. I have written dog. Thing. Desk. Now the name should start with J. John. It is the name of a person. Jaipur. Name of a place. Jackal. Name of an animal. Jug. Name of a thing. Now the name is starting with letter M. Mohit is the name of a person. Mumbai is the name of a place. Monkey is the name of an animal. Mug is the name of a thing. Children, you all are writing or sitting quietly?
Ma'am, my written work is completed.
Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is she? This girl. Show me your book. Very good. Very good. Okay, completed then. Very good, children. Those who haven't completed, write down. The last one is letter P. We have to write it. Letter P. Pune. Pune. Puppy. Pen. Pune is the name of a person. Pune is the name of a place. Puppy is the name of an animal. Pen is the name of a thing. So children, this is a type of game which you can play with your friends. And what is the name of this game? Nouns game. The name of the game is Nouns game. With your friends also you can play this game. This is a very interesting game. You ask him or her that tell me any person name with letter W or A or T, whatever letter you want. Name the place, thing. You can play this game. This is a very interesting game and you will find out this very exciting also. Okay. Your friends will be also, they will be happy to see a new type of game. Okay, so this was the chapter, children, which I have recapitulated with you all. I hope you all have completed your work.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Very good. If you have completed, show me your thumbs up, children. Rudra Narayan wants to ask anything. Yes, Rudra Narayan. Rudra, what do you want to ask? Jyoti, sit properly. Rudra, what are you asking?
मैम उस दिन का इंग्लिश कॉम्पोजिशन का 6 नंबर राइटिंग का बुक 6 नंबर मेरा नहीं हुआ है
English composition.
का 6 नंबर राइटिंग का बुक क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ है मेरा
You haven't completed.
नो मैम
Writing a book, question number 6.
यस मैम
Why you haven't completed?
मैम बंद हो गया था फिर
Okay, what is the question? Tell me.
बुक बुक बुक
Tell me the question. Sit properly, children. Don't do any type of mischief.
मैम
Studying. You are not allowed to misbehave during online class.
why did the brother not try to write this story? What was the reason for not writing?
Okay, why did the brother didn't write the story? What was the reason for writing? So who can tell me the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Rashun sir, tell me the answer. Rashun sir, tell me the answer of comprehension. Writing a book.
Answer.
Yes, answer.
And they decided to write all over the suggested
No,
topic by
question
them.
number
मैम ऐसा नहीं लिखा
number 6.
मोबाइल में देखो
Ma'am, the brother was concerning to write among a pig, a pony, and a rabbit. He fell asleep.
I'm completed.
Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me the answer. What you have written.
मैम करेक्ट कर रहा हूँ अरे कॉपी खाना
Anshika, you are sleeping or you are sitting? That your room, it doesn't mean that you will sleep and study. During the online class, be the disciplined manner. You have it properly and you have to do your work. Okay, children, this was chapter first, which I have done with you all. Now the second chapter. Second chapter.
की बेटी का मेरे क्लास में पढ़ती है यही बच्चे।
Chapter 2. Nouns. Common. So this is the chapter. So what are the common nouns, children? What are the common nouns? Can you tell me all? The name which is given in gender. Okay? The name which is given in gender to any person, place, animal or thing is called common noun. The name which is given in gender to any person, place, animal or thing is called common noun. Okay? Like boy, bird, doctor, dog. All these are common nouns because it is generally given a name to the person, thing, animal, or place. Okay? They do not begin with capital letter, children. Common noun doesn't begin with capital. So, what are common nouns? The name which is given in gender, animal, or place. The name which is given in gender to any animal or place they doesn't begin with capital letter. Okay? Okay? So Rahul. Rahul is the special name given to a particular child. Okay? This name I have given a particular name given to a person. Kolkata, a particular name given to a special name given to a place. Tommy, a special name given to a dog. And Bible. Bible is the special name of a book. Okay? Which is a famous book. Okay? This is the book of Christians. So these are the special names of a particular person, place, animal, or thing. So these are proper nouns. So these are proper noun, children. Okay? So what are proper nouns? The name which is given, the special name which is given to a particular person, place, animal or thing is called proper noun. And what is common noun? The name which is given in general to any person, place, animal or thing is said to be common noun. Okay? So this is the chapter which I have done the recapitulation of this chapter today. Anyone wants to ask anything? Do you all want to ask anything? Yes. So once again, I will repeat it. What are common nouns? The name, the general name is given to any person, place, animal, or thing. To the same kind, okay, or class, okay. That is called common noun. The general name given to any person, place, animal, or thing is said to be common noun. Okay, common noun. And the special name given to a particular person, place, animal, or thing is called proper noun. Okay, here I have given the example of proper noun. And what are the examples of common nouns? Girl, dog, village, house, car, all these are the name given in general, okay, to any person, place or thing. So these are common noun. And common noun doesn't begin with capital letter. Common noun doesn't begin with capital letter. The proper noun begins with capital letter. So this thing you have to remember, proper noun begins or always begins with capital letter, but common noun doesn't begins with capital letter. Okay? Now we will do the textual exercise, children. Turn the page. Page number 12. Page number 12. Page number 12. See here. We have to underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. Okay? Underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. So here in the box, some names are given, which is mixed up. The names are mixed up, common noun and proper noun. So you have to underline the proper noun and circle the common noun. So Nishan is the proper noun. This is the name of a person, special name of a person. Circle it. Qutub Minar, Mount Everest, Arabian Sea. Children, these are the special name which is called proper noun. So circle it. Circle these all because these are proper nouns. Now underline photograph, sea, water, palace, shop, mountain. These are common nouns. So children, see here, proper noun, these are common noun. I am showing you the picture of the exercise, page number 12. So complete it fast, do it fast. Done? If done, then show me your thumbs up. has completed, show me your thumbs up. Very good. Okay. Now, children, I want to tell you all. One thing I want to say that whatever work is done in your online class and whatever teachers are teaching you, you have to learn it, go through the chapters, you have to read the book, you have to learn each and everything. What is given in your PDF, okay, on your Google Classroom, as well as